A new look at a classic Maine coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. Today we're going to take a classic dish, recreate it, update it, make it really easy for you to then prepare and enjoy with your family and friends. The dish was originally called Veal Oscar. Swedish King Oscar II liked veal steak with crab or crayfish in a sauce béarnaise. Instead, we're going to be taking filet mignon, barbecued lobster, and a classic béarnaise sauce. The recipe begins with us taking six 6-ounce filet mignon. I took them out of the fridge 2 hours ago. They're all at room temperature. Before heading to grill, a little sprinkle of fresh cracked black pepper on each. I turn them over and then we're peppering the flip side. Our grill is on high, 500 degrees. We're gonna head to the grill. Our total cook time is gonna be 8 minutes. I place the steaks down on the grill, close the lid, wait for 2 minutes. Lid goes up, we flip them over, lid down, 2 more minutes. We're gonna do this 2 more times for a total cook time of 8 minutes. Now, if you'd like to test your steak at the grill, no problem having a fork and knife ready, cut into your portion just to see how is it looking. You can also use a meat thermometer. Our target range, 120 for medium rare, 125 for medium. When your steaks are done, we're taking them off of the grill onto a platter, and then I like to brush them with just the tiniest bit of butter. We're gonna set the meat to the side, let it rest for about 15 minutes. Our grill is still on, which is perfect, because now we're gonna barbecue lobster tails. Before going to the grill with the lobster tails, I have shears. Put your shears right underneath the shell and you're gonna split the shell. You can also use a knife for this. Just make sure you don't divide the lobster in half. You just wanna crack the top of the shell. I brush with a little bit of oil. The lobsters go on the grill, lid comes down, and I'm gonna cook for 5 minutes. When the tails are done, you have a gorgeous orange color. Take them off of the grill. I like to brush them with a tiny bit of butter, and then we're gonna crack the shells open, remove that buttery meat. We're gonna lay it onto a work surface and then cut the lobster into medallions. Set your lobster to the side. The last component for this recipe is a classic sauce béarnaise. I wanna suggest you click up here to watch our 1-minute video on how to make it. Just go slow, you're gonna be fine. With all 3 components done, we're ready to assemble our main course. Onto dinner plates, I have our grilled filet mignon. I'm gonna add a generous helping of the lobster, and then we're taking a small ladle, and as I add that béarnaise, look at how beautiful it is as it cascades down over the lobster and the filet. A little bit of black pepper sprinkled on top. This entree is ready to be enjoyed. I like to serve this main course with our Hasselback potatoes and our oven blistered cherry tomatoes. Keep it simple. I'll place some additional serving suggestions on our full story at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. You can also look for additional treats on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to it as well. And when a main course is this beautiful, I expect you're gonna take a picture, and if you do, post it using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Let's review. We have grilled filet mignon, barbecued lobster, and then creamy sauce béarnaise. As you cut into this, oh, the steak is perfectly pink. The lobster is so buttery, and that sauce ultimately fantastically creamy. Oh my God. This is one exceptional main course you just gotta make. Bon appetit. Fantastic. Oh my God. Oh.